So hello everyone, my name is Kus Gunnar and you're watching Becoming Kus. This is day 150 and yes, finally we have made 5 months into our challenge of our daily uploads. It's a very good and a very proud moment for me. Like I was able to do it every day and there was stick broken due to the traveling I have to did, but that's okay, that's fine. Uh, Sometimes life don't give you mm, what is called chances. So yeah, it happens, but honestly it's crazy to think that even we have completed 150 days, 5 whole months of recording, uploading and sharing my everyday life with you all. And thank you for all the 28 29 subscribers who have subscribed here, and the one who are still watching and liking them videos and still showing support. That is really very that thrilled so much for me. And guys, keep commenting and I will definitely improve my content. Thank you for everyone who has been like here since the start of the journey. It really means a lot. And so let's get started with today's vlog. Today was Friday, and as expected it was pretty busy day. uh, it was pretty busy work day. I woke up around same 9 or 9:30. I don't remember today, but I was not able to watch the time at when I woke up today. So yeah, I got ready, started moving. There was a lot on my plate today, multiple tasks, multiple meeting with different tasks with different mindset, and things getting jumble into each other, but th- everything needed attention before the weekend. So thankfully I managed to finish most of the important work. I intentionally pushed a few tasks to like Monday because there wasn't any urgency and that was not needed to complete it today. Because of that, I was actually able to log out a little earlier than usual. I log out around 7 p.m. Yeah, 7 p.m., which felt great after a hectic 2 or 3 weeks. I can't even remember. But yeah, of course, I took a lunch break in between the day. Nothing too exciting there, but just taking some time away from the screen and recharging, being getting back to the work. So once work was done, it was my family time. I spent the evening with my family, talking, relaxing, and totally enjoying the slower pace after busy workout. We had dinner together, which is always one of the most and best part of the day. And after dinner I didn't really had much planned to, so sometimes it's nice to have this simple evening where you don't have to do productive, because eventually brain got burnout, and you have to be creative, be attentive, be productive, and sometimes rest are also needed. Am I getting dark circles? No. Yes, my eyes are pretty. Yeah. Which after that I just sit back, watch some YouTube videos, listen to the music, scroll through a few reels and relaxed. And now I'm recording this video, wrapping up the day and getting ready for some other, maybe sleep. Yeah, definitely I will sleep a long hours today because tomorrow is weekend. That's pretty much for day 140 150. Yeah, day 150, but 5 month has passed, and let's go for 6 month, half a year. And although our target is for the 1 year, and if that continues I will definitely go for one another year. Once again, thank you all of the people being part of this journey. reaching 150 days and completing 5 months of consistent uploads feels like a huge milestone, and I'm excited to keep going and keep recording these videos. And also I'm planning more content to bring. uh, I'm taking motivation from different YouTubers. Also tomorrow there might be another video, or it might come on Sunday. Let's see how this goes by. Either way, stay tuned because more content is on the way. And if you enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know how your Friday went and what have you been working on lately. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, tata, bye bye.